Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, we're reviewing Joweba.com, an online store that's been getting a lot of attention lately. But is it a trusted retailer or just another scam? Let's dive into what we know. Quick disclaimer before we get started, everything I'm about to share is based on public research and personal opinion. So what exactly is Joweba? According to their official website, Joweba.com is an online store that offers a variety of products from gadgets to home goods at seemingly great prices. They present themselves as a legit retailer with secure shopping and delivery services. But here's the catch. When we look a bit deeper, things start to get suspicious. First up, let's talk about reviews. If you go to Trustpilot, you'll find that Joweba has received 100% one-star ratings. That's a huge red flag. It suggests that many customers have had negative experiences, and it doesn't look like they're getting much positive feedback. In addition, I came across a Reddit comment from someone who called the business with the same address as Joweba's. Apparently, they didn't have any record of Joweba being there. This raises even more concerns about the legitimacy of their physical location, or if it exists at all. Based on what's out there, including the alarming Trustpilot rating and the suspicious address issue, I have to say Joweba is looking like a potential scam. While I can definitely say they're a scam, I wouldn't recommend making any purchases until more credible information comes forward. And that's it for today's review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.